Well, nowadays we have this great technology and this great knowledge about All-on-X, or previously also called like All-on-4, because they placed only on 4 implants. So now we know that we need more implants to support a prosthesis. People come in when they have teeth that they're not restorable, and we can help them to get teeth by doing the implant procedures. They can, after doing the implant procedures, they are able to function, they are able to smile. That's a great service that we do here at the office, everything under one roof. By doing the All-on-X procedure, as we know, it's a life-changing experience. And that means that they can eat a lot of foods or type of foods that they were not able to eat before by, let's say, having actually a great steak. So which they couldn't eat that before with just having dentures.